Hi guys, Bobby D here from Bobby D Online Marketing. Just out for my normal morning walk with Dexter. There's his bum. There he is. Anyway, just a quick update. Out today at 11 AM EST is Thumbnail Blaster. Now this is my second 10 out of 10 in 2019, and I don't give away 10 out of 10s often. This software is absolutely amazing. It's cloud-based and it's all to do with YouTube. Now, last week, 22nd of April, I paid somebody on Fiverr £17, so it's about $25, $26, to make me 5 thumbnail graphics for YouTube for some of my videos, which they'd done and they were really good. But typically, yesterday, I get to review this software that comes out today, Thumbnail Blaster, and the software is, I think it's going to be about $20 or $21, and it does it for you. Not only does it do it for you, it does it 1,000,000% better. So what can you do with it? If you have a YouTube video that you're struggling to get views on, it's 99% down to your thumbnail, because that is what people, customers, see first. If they see an attractive thumbnail, something that's going to make them click on it, they'll click and then they'll start watching your video. Now what this software does is tried and tested. There's probably 50 plus thumbnails on there that you can fully edit and change, that are proven to convert. They're proven that people will click on your YouTube video. And now it's a bit like Canva, but for me it's 1,000,000% easier to use than Canva. It's 3 clicks, that's it. It's cloud-based, it's all online. The templates are proven clicking templates, up to 5, sometimes 10 times proven click-through rate. And you just hit template, pops up on your screen, make some minor edits if you want to. It takes seconds, and then it publishes it directly to your YouTube video. You don't even have to upload it. It's like magic. It's brilliant. It's one of the best bits of software. I'm now using it. I mean, I paid £17 for somebody to do this for me. Now I don't need to. I'm going to use this bit of software every single day to make YouTube videos. It's absolutely brilliant. Now it's out today at 11 AM EST, 29th of April. Grab it today from my link below, guys, and I'm going to give you a ton of free software. Now this free software is all about getting free traffic. That's all I've concentrated on, is getting free traffic to your website or to your review site or to your affiliate offers. And there are some crackers in here on exactly what I do to get free traffic. I'm giving away some of my secrets. So grab this today, guys, from the link. I'm not going to keep my bonuses up for very long. They're normally on there for 3 days, and then they disappear, and then the price will go up at the front end anyway. But if you grab it now, it's on a dime sale. What does that mean? Every sale, it goes up a dime. So it's going to start to get expensive. But get it now while you can. It's my 10 out of 10 product. It's the only second one this year I've given 10 out of 10 to. It is a life changer. And, you know, you could not only get all your videos ranking, which helps on Google as well, you could sell this service. You know, look on Fiverr, look on Upworks, look on SEO Works. There are people always looking for people to create thumbnails. You can do this now. It's not going to cost you a penny. It's going to take you seconds. And you could sell these for $5, $10, $15. Easy. I got charged £17, $26 for 5, and it shows it works. This woman had hundreds of sales. Get on Fiverr, sell it. There's so many opportunities with this software, guys. I think I'm quite passionate about this bit of software because it's so good. Anyway, I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. If you need anything, as usual, hit me up, guys. I'm happy to help you. Look at my, hit the link below, look at my review. I'll show you live how to do this. It's so easy. And good luck to you guys. And if you need anything, give me a shout. Take care.